this diagram, find out this length of x. First we draw this line, and this line not parallel of this line, so this logic is cancelled. So now there we draw this line of parallel of this line, draw this, and we draw this parallel of this line, we draw this. So there is this is a 3, so there is the 3, and there is the 4 length, so there is the 4. And now from there to there is the 3 plus 5, the total is the 8. And now total is the 8, and we draw there to there this, and now this triangle we draw this, and we take this A, B, C, D. In A, C, D, in this triangle, there this side is 8 and this side is 4. So this hypotenuse is AC. So AC, this AC square is the 8 square, and this is the 4 square. We draw this, and from this triangle ABC, in this triangle, this hypotenuse, this is the AC is square, this AC square is the 3 square, and this 3 square, and this x square. So AC square is this and AC square is this. So you can write 8 square and 4 square is equal to the 3 square and x square. So this is the 8 square is, and this is the 6, and this is the 9, and this is the a square. So there is the value is 80, and there is minus 9, and this is the x square, and this is the x square, and so x value is root x. So we get the x value is root 71. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.